Hello, everyone. Welcome to the information seminar for the Bachelor of Science Food and Nutrition program offered by HKU SPACE and Ulster University in the United Kingdom. I'm the course coordinator of the program, Gigi from HKU SPACE. I'm also the speaker for the information seminar today. Thank you for joining this seminar. In the coming 20 to 25 minutes, I will be sharing information about the Bachelor program, the Food and Nutrition program to you, and also give you some information about the awarding body of the degree, Ulster University, and also more details about the program itself. If you have any questions regarding the application or the contents or anything of this degree program, please feel free to type your questions in the chat box in YouTube, and I will answer your questions at the end of this seminar. So let's get started for the sharing. So the first thing I would like to share with you is let you know more about the degree program. This BSc Honours Food and Nutrition program is a top-up degree to honours degree level offered by HKU SPACE in collaboration with Ulster University. So what do I mean by top-up degree program? It means that this is actually equivalent to the final year of study of a degree, and this is especially suitable for articulation for sub-degree graduates. So if you are sub-degree holders or students of associate degree or higher diploma degree, you can consider to top up your study for this program. If you are not sub-degree graduates or student, but you hold other academic qualifications and would like to get into this degree program, then you will have to take some bridging courses and then get to fulfill the entry requirements to this top-up program. The bridging courses can be considered as year 1 and 2 study of a degree because this top-up program, as just mentioned, is equivalent to a final year of study. And when I say honours degree, because the award is a UK degree award, and all students will have to complete a supervised research project during the study in food and nutrition to get the honours degree. So this is the BSc Honours Food and Nutrition. And I mentioned that this program is offered in collaboration with Ulster University. And Ulster University is actually also the awarding body of the final parchment. So upon successful completion of this degree program, the award parchment or the final transcript will be issued by Ulster University, not HKU SPACE. So Ulster University is the awarding body. So let me give you some background about Ulster University as well. So Ulster is the largest university in Northern Ireland in the United Kingdom. It is a sizable university with over 27,000 students enrolled every year. So the scale of offering in this university is large. And shown on the screen are some pictures of the campus in Northern Ireland of Ulster. And then you may now have a question in mind why HKU SPACE partnered with Ulster University to offer nutrition programs. Actually, our partnership with Ulster to offer nutrition and dietetics program can trace back since 1996. So we have more than 20 years of partnership with Ulster already. And you can see on the screen, we are offering a series of programs in nutrition and dietetics at different qualification levels, from bachelor degree, master, and also postgraduate diploma. So I will talk more about the BSc Food and Nutrition program and other programs that we offer in collaboration with Ulster, including the Master of Science in Sport and Exercise Nutrition, and also the postgraduate diploma Master of Science in Human Nutrition and Dietetics. And for those who wish to become a dietitian, you may have heard that the postgraduate diploma Human Nutrition Dietetics program is the only program in Hong Kong that trains registered dietitian. So we have a long history with Ulster University in offering program in nutrition and dietetics. And the reason for partnering with Ulster to offer all these nutrition programs is because of their high academic standings, particularly in the area of food and nutrition. So according to The Guardian in 2020, Ulster University was ranked top 10 in UK for biosciences, which include food and nutrition. And according to the Times rank in 2020, Ulster University was also ranked top 10 in UK for food science. And in 2019, according to The Guardian, Ulster was ranked top 5 in UK for nutrition. So all these figures show that Ulster is particularly strong in nutrition and food science. And that's why we are partnering with Ulster to offer a series of programs at different qualification levels in the area of food and nutrition. So back to the program itself, the BSc Food and Nutrition. In Hong Kong U SPACE, we offer this program in both part-time and full-time mode. The part-time program, the part-time BSc has a long history of more than 13 years already. It was first offered in 2010. And for the full-time mode, it was recently launched in 2020. No matter whether students enroll to the part-time or the full-time mode of the BSc program, the curriculum will be the same. So students will be studying the same teaching contents, no matter whether they study the degree in part-time or full-time mode. And the program consists of 3 teaching blocks or 3 semesters. Duration of the program, because for full part-time study, the duration will be longer, it will be 2 years. And then for full-time study, it will be a bit shorter, 18 months. So as far as 18 months, you can obtain a degree in food and nutrition if you study the degree in full-time mode. And for the part-time mode, most of the students are mature adult learners. Most of them have daytime job, and then they come to our class, they attend lectures in the evening. So all the classes or all the lectures for the part-time mode will be arranged in the evening. Usually we have 3 classes per week. For full-time mode, most students are full-time students, young students, they devote all their time in study. So all the class or all the lectures are arranged in daytime during weekdays. Some evening sessions also arranged in full-time because we have guest lectures. And all these guest speakers, they are working in the field, so they can deliver the guest lectures during the evening for our students. No matter part-time or full-time, we also have some lab practical sections, some workshops arranged in weekend on Saturdays. As I mentioned before, no matter whether students study full-time or part-time, you will be studying the same curriculum. The program consists of 3 teaching blocks, 3 semesters. In the first teaching block, or in each of these teaching blocks, you will be studying 3 subjects. So in total, the whole program, you will be studying 9 subjects, 9 courses. In the first teaching block, you will have 3 courses, namely the entrepreneurship module, the microbiology, and also transferable skills biosciences. These 3 modules will cover the fundamental science knowledge, which give you the underpinning scientific principles for you to continue the later study, which is more advanced. So the first teaching block gives you the fundamental science, fundamental knowledge, so that you can so as to equip you for the more advanced knowledge in the second and third teaching block. In the second teaching block, you will be studying food safety, nutrition research methodology, and also health promotion and nutrition education. In the third teaching block, another 3 courses, namely the clinical nutrition, biochemistry and molecular nutrition, and also the final research projects. The second and third teaching block give you the knowledge about the link between nutrition and health at individual and also at population levels. So for example, in clinical nutrition, you will be studying the relationship between diet and disease at individual level. Knowing this knowledge, you can then promote healthy eating and also nutrition education to the general population. So you know the knowledge not only at individual level, but you will also share the healthy eating or nutrition related knowledge to the general population. And you will be learning the different skills, how you can help to modify the eating behavior, leading to behavioral changes in population level in the during your study. Also, you will learn the scientific knowledge in nutrition, diet, and health that can be applied to your individual consumers in the food industry. And also you will undertake a research in food and nutrition. So this curriculum is very comprehensive to equip you with all knowledge related to food and nutrition. And we adopt this curriculum from Ulster University. So you will be studying the same modules as the students in Ulster University. One advantage of studying with us is that although we are using the curriculum of Ulster University, which is based in UK, we have a lot of local lecturers, so the content taught in all these modules will be localized. So it can be applied in the local context in Hong Kong, in China, and in Southeast Asia. So you will be learning from the local and also international perspective. How you will be taught. So you are learning a lot of new things in this program. So how will you be taught all this knowledge? So we will be using taught lectures. So you attend all the lectures and tutorials in classrooms. We also have a lot of practical sessions for you to apply what you have learned in the classroom through experiments and also through hands-on practical training. You will have practical sessions in our food and nutrition laboratory. We also have a dietetic clinic in our Hong Kong U SPACE Learning Center, which where you can apply the nutrition consultation skill you learned in the program in real setting. And besides the learning in classroom, in laboratory, in dietetic clinic, we also arrange site visit for you to see how the knowledge is really applied in the real world. We visit the food manufacturer and we also food manufacturers in Hong Kong. And you also, as mentioned before, you have to undertake a research project. And to complete this research project, you will work under supervision of a research academics. So as mentioned before, this degree program offered in part-time and full-time mode. And the major difference between part-time and full-time mode is the duration of study and also the class time. But the curriculum would be the same. For full-time mode, we offer more support to our students. For example, we have some financial support for example, the IC scholarship schemes. So if you are graduates from the CC or HPSHCC, AD or HD graduates, and you apply for this program before the application deadline in mid-June, and also pay the deposits before mid-July, then you will be eligible to get the CC, HPSHCC scholarship for this full-time mode. So remember, this is only applicable to the full-time students only. We also offer other different types of scholarship. You can refer to details of our website. I will share with you our website later. And for the full-time students, we also offer other financial supports, including HKU SPACE IC scholarship, graduation scholarship. This is very good because our students, after getting the degree, some of them want to pursue further studies in postgraduate, PGD, or MSc study. They can apply for this graduation scholarship to support their postgraduate study. And we also have other financial support for our full-time students, including the some scholarship. Vincent Wong's Young Scholar Award. It's based on your academic achievement and also your participation in different community service. You can apply for different scholarship. And for our full-time students, we also have other supports. Besides financial support, we provide career advice. We provide some counseling services to them. So we have the student development and counseling services for a career development and personal development for our full-time students. So after you study the BSc degree, you will graduate and can work as a nutritionist, 營養學家. So what can you do as a nutritionist? So if you want to find a job in the area of nutrition promotion, health education to the general public, you can work as a nutritionist in NGOs, in different community centers to promote healthy eating to the general population. You can also work in the food service industry for designing healthy menu for different catering departments, like in the in-flight menu in those airplane. And some students or some graduates, they work in the food industry for in the quality assurance departments to ensure safety of the food products. Some of them apply the knowledge they learned in the program and work in the research and development departments in different food manufacturers to develop new food products. So it depends on your interest whether you want to work in the area of nutrition or want to work in the area of food. You can have a lot of different career options as a nutritionist. Some of our graduates, they want to further their study after getting this degree. Some of them can decide to pursue professional training as a registered dietitian to become a 营养师. And as mentioned before, in Hong Kong SPACE, we offer the unique program in Hong Kong, the postgraduate diploma in human nutrition and dietetics. And the graduates of this program are eligible for registration as dietitian with the Health and Care Professions Council in the United Kingdom. And after registration, they can work in as dietitian in the hospital authority and also the Department of Health. So then you can work as a dietitian in Hong Kong after pursuing some further study. And some other options, including other taught postgraduate studies. So we have graduates who study the postgraduate certificate in community nutrition in Hong Kong SPACE and also the MSc in sport and exercise nutrition. So it depends on your interest. If you want to focus your career or your future study in sports and exercise nutrition, we also have the relevant program for you. And some of our students, after they complete the research projects in the degree program, they found that they actually very interested to conduct research in the area of food and nutrition. So we also have some graduates continue their study for MPhil or PhD in local institutions or overseas universities. So it depends on your interest, whether you want to find a job after graduation or want to pursue your further study. There are different options available for you. So if you are interested to get into this BSc Food and Nutrition program, let's see the entry requirements. So according to your academic background, you can see shown on the screen the different progression route for you. So if you are holders of higher diploma or associate degree holders in food and nutritional science, basically you should have already fulfilled the entry requirement to the BSc Food and Nutrition program. Say, for example, if you are students of the higher diploma in nutrition and food management from HPSHCC, or students from the high diploma in applied nutritional studies from Ivy, you have already fulfilled the entry requirements to this BSc program. You can apply directly to the degree. And if you are students from other higher diploma or associate degree in other area or in food and nutrition related areas, you are recommended to send your transcript to us and we will see whether you have already fulfilled the entry requirement to the program. And if you are not higher diploma or associate degree students or holders in food and nutritional science, but you are degree holders in other disciplines or in biological related science, you will have to take different teaching courses according to the requirements of Ulster University. Say, for example, if you are degree holders in accountants, in engineering, or in physics, which are not anything related to biology or food and nutrition, then normally you will have to take 4 different teaching courses, namely the Advanced Certificate in Nutrition, Advanced Certificate in Child and Adolescent Nutrition, or the Advanced Certificate in Clinical Nutrition and Health Promotion. and also the advanced certificates in food science and human biochemistry and physiology programs. So in total, you will have to take 4 teaching courses in nutrition, food science, and biochemistry and physiology, so as to equip yourself to get into this BSc Food and Nutrition program. Remember, I mentioned at the beginning, this top-up BSc Food and Nutrition program is equivalent to the final year of study of a degree. So all these teaching courses can be regarded as year 1 and 2 study of a degree program. And all these teaching courses have been accredited by the Ulster University. So they recognize these teaching courses as equivalent to the year 1 and 2 modules in their program. So if you are not sure about what teaching courses you have to take, and if you wish to know more information about the program, you can contact us directly. Shown on the screen is the QR code for you to access to our website for the part-time and full-time programs. And if you wish to know more about the entry requirement, whether you have fulfilled the entry requirement or what teaching courses you may have to take according to your academic background, feel free to send your transcript to my colleagues, and their email and also phone numbers are shown on the screen. If you wish to know more about food and nutrition, our programs, and also learn more about the latest news about food and nutrition, feel free to follow us on Facebook and also the Instagram. And that's what I want to share with you for today. Feel free, if you have any questions, feel free to type in the chat box and I will see there is any question. So I have shared with you some information about the program just now. You may need some time to digest. If you have any queries about the program, entry requirements, feel free to contact the program team. So at the moment, I understand that you may need to digest what I have just shared with you. So if you have any questions, just send an email to us. We will respond to your queries timely. And if there is no questions, then at the moment, then that's the end for the information seminar today. Thank you for joining the seminar, and I hope to see you in the program in the future. So goodbye. Bye-bye.